Sometimes you want to extrude an extracted curve and use it further. In my case, I need it here to make a cut. However, the curve must be completely on one level to be able to do this operation. This method could be helpful. Select the extracted curve and press S plus Z plus 0 to scale the curve in the Z direction to 0. In my case, it is Z, but of course, X, Y, or Z, depending on the situation. Now the curve is completely on one level. You can also see that the area is now blue. The curve is now a profile and you can simply continue working with it.